Hi there, hope you're doing good. So here I'm with the demo. In this system, we are going to get some data from outsource, maybe Zapier, and we'll be getting that data in these rows, first three columns, and then this data will get automatically transferred to this lower tab and making sure that there is no double entry for that same date, client, case type, and all three columns. So if there is no matching already available in this not interested or lawyer tab, then the new entry will get updated in here, which can then be used for the modification and the selection of the status of the case. In case of the person select no not interested, this will get transferred to this not interested tab. So let me show you here. First of all, what you need to do, let me okay, so I'll show you in both ways. Like currently, if I'll make any change in any of the tab, nothing will get updated. So the last entry in the not interested is in 22. Last Zapier is on to row 12, and the lawyer tab has only two entries. So if I'll go in here and I'll make any changes like not interested, sorry, not interested, you'll see it's not moving anywhere because the code is not currently activated. I can activate it on my side, but I won't like you to activate it first. So here is the option. You can go to the menu. This is a custom menu and activate automation only one time. But if you want to move the row, like test it manually, you can always press this button, update leads. So what this will do, this will make sure that if there is a new entry in the Zapier, it will be transferred in here. And if like this, if there is a not interested tab, sorry, entry available in this tab, this will get transferred to the not interested tab. So I'll do undo. And now you'll see if I'll make any change, still it won't do anything. If I'll add another 3-4 entries, nothing happened. You see this saved, not presented in here. So now what you need to do for that, you need to go and activate the automation for the first time, and that is only for one time for you. So once you are done with it, now if anyone will make any changes in any of the tab, all these new entries will get transferred to the lawyer tab. And if you will mark any of the uh, case status as not interested, that will transfer on this tab after row 22. So let me show you now. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to mark this one as not interested, and you will see there will be new entries and everything will happen. So if I'll mark it not interested, you will see there are now new entries in it, and the not interested has been transferred to the not interested tab. So now if anyone will make any changes in this tab, or I hope that when there will be a new zap in, let me do it now. So currently we have 10. Let me make it maybe 16. And let's see what happens. Yeah, so we have made a change in the Zapier tab, and those are getting transferred in here. And if I'll mark any of these as not interested, that will get transferred to the not interested tab like this. And you will always have the drop downs in here. So that's it from my side. Please let me know if I missed something or if anything is not clear. Looking forward for your review. Take care. Bye.